Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shraddha's Fashion. Today's video is all about what's in my bag. So this is my handbag. So I carry it for my travel purpose as well as for my, not exactly for my daily use purpose, but whenever I go to malls or specifically when I go out with family, I carry this bag. Usually for a daily use purpose, I use my sling bag, which is like, I find it really handy. So I use my sling bag all through for my daily purpose. But most of the time when I go out with family or for any outings or something, I prefer my high design handbag. So let me show you today what's inside my bag. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first thing that I have is on my handbag's handle, I always keep my clutcher handy because you know how important it is. Whenever we go out, we are like hairs open and everything, but then after some time we are all tired and all, we really need a handy hand clip. So it's like a clutcher needs to be there on my handbag. So let's open and check out what do I have inside this bag. So this bag is like really big. It's a leather high design bag. So why do I really find it good enough and good for travel purpose also is because I really like the way it has its pockets and the zips and everything. The kind of area that this handbag has is like really useful. So this bag of mine is like really old now. It's like 8 years old. I purchased it in 2013 and still this bag looks so new till date. And the leather quality of high design, obviously people who use high design, they know the quality of the leather they have, and it is really durable. And since then I have been using, so you can also check how colors are coming off, but we can get a polish done and it will look all new again. But I have not polished it since like more than a year now. So it's just lying like that because of the lockdown. I have not been traveling very frequently, so I have not polished it also, and it is just lying down. So the polish is all coming off. So that's secondary, but let's check out first what I have inside the bag. So to start with, this is the first portion that we have is it has a clip-on lock. This is the kind of lock that you have here. Usually I don't keep many stuff and not anything important. Actually, I only have 2 vomiting bags. Now people would say, why do you need a vomiting bag in your handbag? But I find it really handy and useful because my daughter, she has a motion phobia. So whenever we go out in car, I really find this very handy, and I keep only that inside the first pocket. And coming off to the second part, in the second part I have a lot of stuff. So one by one I'll show you everything that I have inside the bag. Here you can see there's one zip here first. So here inside the zip I only have few small stuff like some cosmetics, you can say. Here I have one Mystic handy tissue paper pack. Along with it I have a Vaseline body lotion, which I carry it, but I use it very occasionally. I have this Maybelline ka lip balm, which is a color lip balm, and it's very handy. You can see because I am not very fond of lipstick and also I really like this, that it serves both my purpose of using a lip balm as well as a lipstick because it is a colored one. So I definitely carry these. Along with it, this is a very frequently used thing that I have is my Lakme ka moisturizer. So this I have it handy here inside this zip. Why do I keep this inside the zip is because these are small items. So I don't want to lose on it and I don't want to keep on searching for it. So actually these are small packets, so I keep it inside this zip. So now let's come to the second portion of it. It has this portion is actually divided into 4 sections. If you can see, first is this zip. Second is there's another, sorry, this is not divided into 4, this is divided into 3 parts. So second part I have some few things which are related to my daughter. Basically I carry some waffy, something to eat basically for my daughter because whenever we go out suddenly she feels hungry and I really need it. So I have this. I have my sunglasses, so this is a must thing, so that I carry. Along with it I have this stainless steel ka This pouch actually has a lot of cutlery, you can say, because I have this stainless steel straws. So whenever we go out, it is like really handy for me that I give it to my daughter to use, and then we can just wash it off when we come home. I also have one spoon of hers. Let me just try to find out. Yeah, this is her spoon. This is a small spoon that I definitely carry so that whenever we go out, she can eat using this spoon. So this is the thing. So again, these straws came inside this packaging, so it is like very handy for me to keep it inside my bag. I carry this directly. I have this small pouch. As of now, there's nothing inside this pouch, but I actually keep some change and all if required. So I have this small pouch also handy in my handbag. Apart from that, I also have this wet tissues, which obviously is a must thing when you are with kids around. So it's like a handy thing for me that I definitely use this wet wipes whenever we go out, and I keep it. So again, something to eat, small things. So this section is, I guess, done. Third section and the last section is, again, I keep my comb, Roots ka hairbrush that I have for myself, and this one is again my daughter's comb that I carry. This is a small mirror, which is a very cute unicorn mirror. You can see, check out this mirror. So this one is also very handy, and I carry it because it is travel friendly, again, small and travel friendly. And this one is my handy razor. I have posted one video on the unboxing of this razor. If you have not watched that video, I'll put it in the I button and you can definitely check out that video also. So this is also a handy thing, and it is for utility purpose, so I definitely carry this inside my handbag as well. Apart from that, I have just this few knickknacks thing like earbuds and all, which I have got it in one hotel in Europe, so I just kept it as it is inside my handbag. And this is one headband that I keep it for emergency purpose again. First zip is done, and coming to the second zip, let me show you what all I have. Again, this zip is divided into three. Like if you can check out, there's one portion here, there's one cavity here, and the last one there's a zip. The most important thing that this portion has is this key holder. I really like this key holder section over here, because I really don't have to keep on finding my keys every time I use this bag, because with so much stuff inside the bag, you cannot literally take out everything and search for your keys when in emergency, or when you return home. You can't do that, right? So this is like really handy that I just hang it using this clip and ready to go then. So this one is very important part of this bag, and which is like very helpful for me as well. In the first cavity here, I am only keeping this mask. This is my mask and this is my daughter's mask. So this one I carry it all the time, because now with corona thing all around, we definitely need to take the precautions, right? And the second portion has my wallet. Again, this is a high design wallet. It is very old. This wallet is like 10 years, more than 10 years old, and I really love it, so I keep on using this. So this is a zipped wallet, and here I have my daughter's and my husband's small pics, few of my cards here, money, and here I keep one important thing is here I put in my money and my change. That is fine, but what is the most important part that I keep here is these kind of safety pins that I actually carry on inside this bag. Because look, sometimes what happens, you actually don't carry your handbag everywhere when you are just going out somewhere in emergency, or just suddenly you thought of going out somewhere. You don't go out with your handbag on, you just carry your wallet and you're ready to go. And there, whenever in emergency, I keep it inside this is basically the coin section, the coin zip, and I keep it here so that doesn't hurt anyone. And this is like very handy, these kind of safety pins. I definitely keep it. Along with it, I also have this what do you call it, this is a hair clips. So I definitely carry all these things. The small things, actually it sometimes gets lost inside the handbag, so I keep it inside this zip so that I do not lose it. That is all for my wallet, I guess. So this one I keep it in the second section, and here I have just one bag that I carry always, because whenever you go out shopping these days, anyways, you're not getting a bag in there and you have it handy. So whenever you have not even decided to go out shopping, you actually know you have a bag inside, so you are like free to go. And apart from that, I don't keep much stuff here because I have my wallet and I do not want to lose it while taking out many stuff from here. So I only keep three things here. That is, one is this bag, one is my wallet, and this section I have one pouch. This is a small pouch that I purchased from Miniso. So this is a transparent pouch. Here I only have one diary. This is basically a post-it and a diary thing. So this diary, I use it, I keep it handy inside my handbag. Along with it, I have just two pens, simple pens. So this pouch is like again handy inside my bag. So whenever I want to take a note of something or anything I want to write, or someone wants to take any details, I need a paper and a pen. So I always have it handy inside my handbag. So, and in third and in the last zip that I have is, there's nothing, there's one sanitary napkin that I have. So this one I keep it always again inside my bag. So this one is all I have inside the second portion. Now coming down to the last portion of my bag, this is again a long zip that we have inside. So inside this, what I carry is again handy items, which I when I hold my bag like this, so I can actually check out all these products very handy. Few tissue papers that I carry here inside this, and very important, my sanitizer. So this is like again very important these days. So I guess that's all about what I have inside my bag. So I hope you find this video useful and you got some idea as to what important things you can actually carry inside your handbag. So if you like this video and find this video useful, do hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to it by hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get all my latest notifications. So stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be a travel vlog, and it's going to be really interesting. I hope you will enjoy that video as well. So till then, bye bye, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy everyone.